When we talk about CNC tool manufacturing today, we are not just talking about machines, cutting tools, or production volumes. We are talking about precision at the micron level, consistency across batches, and the ability to meet global expectations in an increasingly competitive and quality driven market. Across the world, CNC tool manufacturers are investing heavily in advanced machinery, automation, and software systems. Yet, despite these investments, many organizations continue to face recurring challenges: variation in tool performance, inconsistent quality, higher rejection rates, reduced tool life, and inefficiencies in production processes. The question is, why does this happen? The answer lies not in the absence of technology, but in the absence of structured engineering systems, process optimization, and skilled implementation. This is where URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited plays a transformative role. URGS is dedicated to supporting CNC tool manufacturers in building robust, efficient, and globally competitive manufacturing systems. The approach is not theoretical, it is practical, experience driven, and deeply rooted in real shop floor challenges. In a typical CNC tool manufacturing setup, even a small deviation in grinding parameters, wheel selection, machine alignment, or process control can lead to significant variation in tool performance. These variations directly impact customer satisfaction, production costs, and brand reputation. What URCS brings to the table is a systematic way of identifying these gaps and converting them into opportunities for improvement. Through detailed process analysis, root cause identification, and hands-on implementation, manufacturing processes are streamlined to achieve higher stability and repeatability. The focus is always on creating processes that are not just efficient but also sustainable in the long term. Another critical aspect of CNC tool manufacturing is quality management. Many organizations pursue ISO certification as a requirement from customers or as market necessity. However, in many cases, ISO system remain limited to the documentation rather than becoming an integral part of daily operations. URGS approaches ISO implementation differently. The goal is not just certification but transformation. By developing practical standard operating procedures, aligning processes with international standards, and establishing effective internal audit systems, organizations are able to build a culture of quality that reflects in every stage of production. When ISO systems are implemented correctly, they bring clarity, consistency, and control. They enable better traceability, reduce process variation, and ensure that quality is not inspected at the end but built into the process itself. Equally important is the human element in manufacturing. Machines can deliver precision but only when operated and managed by skilled and knowledgeable professionals. One of the most common gaps observed in CNC tool manufacturing industries is the lack of specialized training tailored to real production challenges. Operators may know how to run machines but may not fully understand the impact of parameter changes, tool geometry, or process variations. URGS addresses this gap through focused CNC training programs designed specifically for tool manufacturers. These programs go beyond theory and emphasize practical learning, covering CNC grinding techniques, inspection methods, process control strategies, and best practices in tool production. The objective is to empower teams with the knowledge and confidence required to make informed decisions on the shop floor. When people improve, process improve. When process improve, results follow. Over time, organizations working with URGS International experience measurable improvements: reduction in rejection rates, improvements in tool life, enhanced productivity, and stronger customer trust. But perhaps the most significant transformation is not just in numbers, it is in mindset. A shift from reactive problem solving to proactive process control. A shift from dependency on individuals to reliance on systems. A shift from local standards to global competitiveness. In today's manufacturing environment, success belongs to those who can combine technology, systems, and skilled people into a cohesive and efficient operation. CNC tool manufacturing is a precision driven industry, and achieving excellence requires more than investment. It requires direction, expertise, and structured execution. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited stands as a partner in this journey, helping organizations not only solve problems but build capabilities for the future. For CNC tool manufacturers who are looking to enhance quality, improve efficiency, implement global standards, and develop skilled teams, the opportunity for transformation is real, and it begins with the right approach. If your organization is aiming to move towards higher performance, consistency, and global recognition, this is the time to take that step forward. URGS International is ready to support you in building a manufacturing system that delivers precision, reliability, and excellence consistently. To explore how URGS International can support your organizations, you can connect directly. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. The future of CNC tool manufacturing belongs to those who are prepared to evolve, and the journey towards excellence starts with the decisions to improve. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.